लेकिन इस बार तो इस बार आप काफी जा चुके हैं ना, अभी आप मिजोरम भी गए ना? अच्छा, मणिपुर में।
Kekirtong jong ke NDA ke banyakun ke election president hakari India ke Draupadi Murmu hakasi balang jong ketayo kalawan shaka jala Meghalaya banpa ne ke jingkar sha ne ki seng san perthai beper jong ke jala ya ke Draupadi lapdiang burom do menteri rang ba ke jala kondat ke sang ma ha umroi airport ringkat ke jalan lang ulam phang king dor bar ba mai baleng do bar kinong yalam ke BJP. Labateng ke jingpriang buram ya ke Draupadi ha Orchid Lake Resort no menteri rang ba ke jala ulampang ke yeng dorbar ki menteri jong sarkar u president ke NPP na ke jala Meghalaya u president ke BJP na ke jala Meghalaya ringkat ru ke jadan lang uba HM Shangpliang.
I also request Honorable MLA and in charge of the presidential election, President Shri Amrit our President has also signed.
We are very happy to welcome the presidential candidate. Right from the CM and the Speaker and all the members from the Meghalaya, they have welcomed the candidate of presidential candidate from our party. And now the program is over, and we was very thankful to her because she is the first tribal woman to hold such a big post as the President of India. So we are very happy, and she has given the speech, and she has stressed more among the welfare of the women in our state. Since she has come from she is tribal from Odisha, so we are very delighted and very happy to welcome her today in our state.
NDA is winning.
What was the discussion about? What did it
The
revolve
discussion
around?
only about the election, how we go about it. I think everything is in favor of the NDA.
So we also saw an AITC MLA coming out here now. What do you think of this?
I have nothing to say because this is ultimately the candidate is looked as a tribal, so it is tribal pride.
So as far as the support is concerned, how much do you say the government is extending? I mean the state.
On tribal prides, we are trying for all 60.